Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on importing the contacts from your Google account to your iPhone. This is super easy to do. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. As you can see, my contact list is currently empty and I want to import the contacts that are on my Gmail account so they appear here. To start, open the Settings app. Scroll down to Passwords and Accounts. Tap Add Account. Select Google from the list of account services. Sign in to your Google account. Once you're signed in, select the Gmail account from the list of logged-in accounts on your iPhone. Make sure that the Contacts toggle here is activated. Once it's on, it will sync your Gmail contacts to your phone. If I go back to my contact list now, you can see that my Gmail contacts have been imported to my iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.